9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Come in, Sat 1. This is ISS Control. Houston requesting a feed from your helmet cam, over. They want you to look over towards the north side of the Earth. Should be cresting the horizon about 15 degrees east of the starboard PV. Sat 1, rotate your view a little further to the right, will you? There it is. We're getting your feed, Sat 1. Come in, Houston.
And if you're new to the channel, hit that like button, subscribe, notification bell so you will be alerted every time I create a video, and may the gains be with you. What's going on, YouTube, and what's going on to all the savvy investors out there? Welcome to the channel where we focus on making easy money on easy plays. And if your main objective isn't to make money in the stock market, well, guess what? I believe you came to the wrong place. And before I kick this video off, guys, if I ever helped you in the stock market in any shape, fashion, or form, can you please leave a thumbs up on this video? Now, back to the topic at hand. I have been getting requests. People want to know how to use the 10% method and how to average in for the best, for the lowest cost average you can get. Especially, this is very great for day trades. Now, what we're looking at here is MGLD. Alerted this in the OB alerts on March 11th. March 11th, 2022 at 6:14 a.m. This was a pre-market entry for the price of $5.80 with the price target being $7. If we look here over at the chart, guys, as you can see here, this was the entry at $5.80. Here, guys, I used 3% of my buying power for my entry. Okay, the reason why I use 3%, I'm going to explain that here pretty soon. 10% is the max you want to use in your entry. You don't want to go over 10%. Now, the reason why I use 3, guys, is because 3% is 10% of 30%. So my next buy-in would have been 30%. Now, as you can see here at $5.80, reason why I bought here, guys, because I seen the stagnant trading and I was anticipating a breakout at this moment. So if it was a breakout, I wasn't going to add to my position at all. I was just going to let it ride out and not be greedy. The only time you want to be greedy, guys, is when it's time to average down again here. So after my $5.80, that is my cost average now, $5.80, and I only use 3% of my buying power. Now, time to average down, guys. I averaged down here at $5. Okay, let's look at the OB alerts. As you can see here, had to average down at $5 even to cut my average cost to $5.20. If we look back at the chart, guys, I averaged down here at $5 even. It cut my new cost average to $5.20, and I used 30% of my buying power now. Okay, so the reason why I bought at this price, guys, because we did see some stagnant trading and I was anticipating a breakout here, but no, it didn't happen. The large scale orders triggered for the outflow, which dropped the price again. I now have a $5.20 cost average. So the next step, guys, here, I averaged down here at $3.98. If we look over at the Discord, I also told the Discord again, just average down at $3.98. Cost average is now $4.42. If we take a brief look and check out that, guys, average down here at this moment at $3.98. The new cost average is now $4.42, and I used 100% of my buying power. All the chips are on the table at this point, guys. Now my cost average is $4.42. The price target is still set at $7, guys. $7 price target, as you can see here, $7 plus. Here, this is the price target, 7 plus, and this is a day trade. I let everyone know what type of trade it is. So if we look back at the chart, we now have no more buying power. Our cost average is cut down to $3.98, and as you can see here, guys, our price target at $7 was hit. So complete position, and I exited the trade completely, guys. Using this method will make you a better trader. For instance, let's say you went all in at this entry here. If you went all in at this entry here, guys, you would have two options. Until the opening, at least, you would have two options to either be a bag holder or sell for a loss. Most people, if they entered at $5.80 and the stock dropped as low as $3.46, they were more than likely would have sold for a loss, correct? Or they would just have been a bag holder until the market had opened, and then things would have reversed. But you want to take advantage of being able to average down. Not having any buying power, like I said, guys, you will have only had two options to either sell for a loss or become a bag holder. But in this case, guys, even if you did enter at the 580, you would not have been a bag holder because the $7 price target would have been hit. But being able to maximize your gains with this 10% method will make you a better trader. For instance, guys, you can use 2% of your entry price, but if you use 2%, your next average down, you would use 20% of your buying power. Vice versa, guys, if you use 1%, you would use 10% on your next. You know what I'm saying, guys? You can use 4% as your entry, then your next average down percentage will be 40% of your buying power. Okay, using this method will make you a better day trader easily, guys. I use this method in all of my day trading trades. But if you did take my MGLD alert from the Discord channel, guys, please let me know in the comment section below. Let me know how many gains you walked away with. And if you're interested in joining our Discord, guys, all you have to do is drop down in the description below. It only costs $10 a month, and you can lock yourself in for $100 for the year. Now, with that membership, you will have total access to the Making Easy Money Lounge, including the Making Easy Money chat, where you can find me and other live traders, where you can share ideas, guys. Now, the easy C category is the juicy part. Making Easy Money Plug is one of our in-house analysts. Okay, he is our options guy. Stock Wizard is phenomenal at his cause. Not only that, he gives you a ticker, the resistance, the support, and he gives you some insight on what price actions you are looking for the breakout. Also, Ape of MEM, guys, this guy has been on. He has alerted his 700% gainer, guys, since he started in being an analyst, guys. This guy is on fire. In fact, he made me tons of money. Making Easy Money Bones, very, very hot on his alerts, guys. This guy has made over 100% calls since he has been alerting over here in the Discord, guys. He is on fire. And can't forget about my guy going green. His name speaks for itself, guys. 98% of his plays are up over 30% since he has alerted it. Most of them are up over 70%. Also, my OB alerts, guys, you will get these in real time. They are more often than not day trades from my alerts. Also, my major buy alerts. First major buy alert I dropped was Mullen at the entry price of 70 cents on February 23rd, guys. And if you check out Mullen on today's trading, it did drop on today's trading, obviously, but if we look at the day chart from our entry, guys, as you can see here, entry on Mullen was on this day, February 23rd. And if you did catch that 70-cent entry, guys, this thing did spike all the way up to $4.18 on the 21st of this month. So that was a nice home run play, guys. And if you want my major buy alerts in real time, all you have to do is join the Discord. And I know a lot of people are waiting for our 1K to 100K challenge in 15 trades or less. This is very, very interesting, guys. Not only that, this will make a lot of people tons of money. I will be giving you 15 stock plays, guys, which can turn a 1K portfolio into a 100K portfolio in 15 trades or less. The task here is to pick one trade, walk away with at least 40% on each trade, guys. That can get us over 100K in 15 trades or less. But if we can steal 100% on each trade, it's close to $8 million, guys. So if that interests you, drop down in the description below, sign up. It's only $10 a month, and that is less than a Netflix subscription. And more people spend more than $10 on Starbucks in 2 days. So with that being said, guys, if you agree with anything I said in this video, can you please leave a thumbs up on it? Also, don't forget to get over to my main YouTube channel. It is called Making Easy Money, guys. This is my main channel. Make sure you have all post notifications set to on this channel, so you will be alerted each and every time I create one of these videos. So with that being said, may the gains be with you.